Donna Kelce has opened up about her son Travis Kelce's blossoming relationship with Taylor Swift, revealing why she believes the pair are a perfect match. As the NFL star continues to shine off the field, including the premiere of his new FX show, Grotesquerie, his mom sheds light on the deeper connection that's fueling his high-profile romance. Donna Kelce, the proud mother of Kansas City Chiefs tight end Travis Kelce, is no stranger to the spotlight. However, her son's relationship with pop icon Taylor Swift has introduced a whole new level of media attention. Speaking candidly at the premiere of Travis's latest project, Grotesquerie, Donna shared why she thinks the pair are perfectly suited for one another. "He's a good guy. He really is. He's kind. He's generous. And from what I understand, so is she," Donna told Page 6, hinting at the shared values that make their relationship work so well. While the romance has been the talk of the NFL since Taylor's surprise appearance at a Chiefs-Bears game a year ago, Donna's insights offer a glimpse into the deeper qualities that bind them. The relationship, which began with Taylor Swift cheering from a luxury box alongside Donna during the September 2023 game at Arrowhead Stadium, has evolved into something much more than a fleeting headline. Since that first public appearance, Swift has been a consistent presence, supporting Travis through key moments in his career, including his victorious Super Bowl 58 performance. Their post-game kiss amidst the confetti in Las Vegas became an iconic image, symbolizing the couple's bond beyond the football field. "I hope they're having a good time," Donna remarked, expressing her genuine hope that their romance continues to bring joy to both Travis and Taylor, who are navigating an extraordinary level of public scrutiny. But it's not just the football field where Travis is making headlines. His new venture into acting with the FX horror drama Grotesquerie marks a bold step into uncharted territory for the athlete. Donna, ever the supportive mother, expressed her excitement for Travis's new project. "Just to be able to see her kids do what they love to do, and hopefully this is something he likes. I know he wanted to try acting, so we'll see how it goes," she said, clearly proud of her son's willingness to push boundaries and explore new creative outlets. Despite a slower-than-usual start to the NFL season, with fewer catches and yards than expected, Travis is expanding his horizons beyond football, something Donna believes reflects his growth both personally and professionally. Travis's relationship with Taylor Swift has certainly been a game-changer in terms of his public profile. Swift's presence has not only captivated the media but also amplified his star power, opening doors to opportunities like Grotesquerie. While speculation often surrounds their romance, Donna's insights suggest that their bond is built on shared kindness and generosity, traits that have helped them thrive in the chaotic world of celebrity relationships. Travis has leveraged this attention into new career paths, proving that while football is still his main focus, he's not afraid to embrace new challenges with Swift by his side. As Travis Kelce continues to navigate the complexities of his high-profile relationship with Taylor Swift, it's clear that he has the unwavering support of his biggest fan, his mother, Donna. With her heartfelt endorsement of their relationship, Donna has given the world a glimpse into why these two superstars are not only perfect for each other but also stronger together. Whether on the field or off, Travis is ready to take on whatever comes next, and Taylor seems to be the perfect partner for the ride.